Welcome to the first Business Seller News of 2021. It's been a difficult 12 months for all of us in one way or another, but rest assured that our goal at eBay remains the same: to provide you with the best platform for your business to thrive. Here are some details about the updates that we're announcing today. Firstly, we're launching some new tools and experiences on eBay to help improve the way you list and promote your items. The new Coded Coupons tool gives you the option to offer discounts to your buyers using a coupon code and then decide where your buyers see it. And our newly designed unified listing experience will give you consistency across all of your devices when listing on eBay. Terapeak sourcing insights will help identify the best categories for you and what products to sell before you begin sourcing inventory. And the downloadable listing quality report gives you listing and category level recommendations for optimizing your inventory. From April, you'll be able to automate your promoted listings campaigns by creating new rules. We're also finding new ways to help you run your business on eBay. With our new updates, you'll be able to manage all of your post-sale claims in Seller Hub. It'll also take you less time to cancel orders and offer partial refunds for auto-accepted returns. So, we're starting 2021 by introducing some new ways to help you list with more insight. We're also giving you more tools to promote and create offers and a better post-sales experience for both you and your buyers. Remember to read the full announcement for all the details. As always, thanks for being part of the eBay Business Seller community.